What is up, guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, we are making a mock Keto McGriddle that is going to be way lower in calories than the original McGriddle. It's going to be a sausage, egg, and cheese mock McGriddle, Ketofied, low carb, lower calories, all for those muscle gains, right, Parker? All those muscles going. Let's get after it. Step one, we're going to make our chaffles. We are going to use 1 tablespoon of sunflower seed flour. We're going to use 2 ounces of egg whites, 1 ounce of reduced fat shredded cheddar cheese. That's the ingredients for the white bread chaffle. Also going to swirl in some sugar-free syrup. We have our food scale here to measure everything out so it's accurate, and our Mandalorian waffle iron, mini iron, heating up. Step one, we're going to measure out 2 ounces of egg whites. Separate the yolk. If you don't have a food scale, 2 large egg whites is about 2 ounces, so that totally works. Now we're gonna do our sunflower seed flour. You can use almond flour or coconut flour. I'm allergic, so I'm using 1 tablespoon of sunflower seed flour. Next, we're going to measure out 1 ounce of reduced fat shredded cheddar. Next, we need to mix it up. I hired a couple professional mixers. Who would like to go first?
Me.
All right, mix away. Next, we're gonna hit the waffle iron with a little bit of non-stick olive oil spray.
Yeah, so it doesn't stick.
Next, we're gonna do half of our mixture into the waffle iron. It's a little tricky. Gently swirl in a little bit of sugar-free syrup
Love
to give that
cabbage.
McGriddle flavor.
Ooh.
There we go. Oh yeah. There we go, Mandalorian.
It's burnt.
It's out. Nope, it's not burnt. It's perfect. Look at that.
No, it's burnt.
Bottom one done. And there we have our buns ready to go. Time to make the filling. How's your pancakes? I mean waffles.
Good. Yeah. Looks good, Daddy.
Next up, we are going to mix 1 egg and 1 egg yolk to make our filling. To that mixture, I like to add a pinch of onion powder and black pepper.
That looks good. Yum, 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 yum. Ah!
Over medium-high heat, spray pan with some non-stick. While the pan is heating up, we are going to microwave just for 1 minute 1 sausage patty for our mock McGriddle. Add the mixture to the pan. Don't forget to add a pinch of pink salt when the egg is done. Don't do it while the egg is still running because it'll break down your egg. Add the salt right when it's about done. Now that our egg is all cooked, we're going to add on our sausage patty and 1 slice of American cheese and just let that melt for a little bit. Now that our cheese is melted, we are going to transfer it on to our sandwich and assemble. There we go. Let's give this beast of a sandwich a try. Look at this thing. It's probably double the size of your normal McGriddle. And wait until you hear the calorie difference. Let's give it a try. Look at that beast. So good. So check this out. If that was a regular sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddle from McDonald's, you would be looking at 500 calories, 47 carbs, 28 fat, and 18 grams of protein. Now, that sandwich you saw was probably almost double the size, so you're getting a lot more volume for way less calories. Here's the calories for this exact recipe. For this entire recipe, we're looking at 360 calories, so a lot different than the 500 calories of the original. So 360 calories, only 5 carbohydrate. That's it. 5 grams of carbs, 23 fat, and a whopping 30 grams of protein. You want to get your protein up, this will do it for you. The chaffle white bread that we used as our bun, that was 132 calories of the entire recipe. It was 3 carbs in that, 8 fat, and 11 protein. So a good source of protein if you want to use those as your carb source. You could also use my cloud bread recipe. That would be even a better calorie choice as your bun, and you could just swirl in some of that sugar-free maple syrup and make that like your mock Ketofied McGriddle. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed another recipe. If you like this recipe, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, share this with your friends and family. Always remember to rock and roll.